This is the Jamaican Adventure, and we're here at the famous Times Square in New York City. Come along. My name is Alicia. I was born in Jamaica, raised in New York City.
And my name is Nikolaus. I'm German, and we are currently walking up on Broadway towards Central Park, where we want to tell you a little bit more about us.
We have finally arrived. So a little about us. We have been living together in the US for several years, and now we're inviting you to the Jamaican Adventure to share our lives as an interracial couple living in the US and to document our travel adventures.
Yeah, and by sharing our adventures, we hope that you can take some of that information to further improve your life and your travels. That means if you're interested in living in New York City, traveling to the US, to Europe or Jamaica, join us here at the Jamaican Adventure, and we will do the best to keep you well informed and entertained. Also, please share with us the topics you're really interested in the comment section below, so we can address those during our future travels.
And with that said, we are heading to Jamaica for me to visit my family who I've not seen in 2 years due to the pandemic, and for Nick to visit the island for the very first time ever. I know who's excited.
I'm more than just excited. As we will be traveling the island for quite a while, we will be spending some time with Ellie's family, and of course we will get to experience the true life on the island. Although you guys should expect another video of our life in New York City before we leave for Jamaica.
And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Jamaican Adventure, and turn on those notifications so you know when we're dropping a new video. Until then,
Auf
Auf Wiedersehen.
Wiedersehen.
See you soon.
Later.